afternoon guys, a new day, a new place. Last video you must have seen me in a small village which was on borders of Mumbai. Now I have came out of that village and I am walking on street. Let's explore, let's find some new places. Right now I see a very beautiful shop on the main road here which sells teddy bears. Check this out. You see all kinds of teddy bears you can see. ये वाला कितने का छोटू? 1200 ना? So apparently he says this one, the pink one, is for 1200 rupees, Indian rupees. That means almost $15. It will be $15. You see panda? ये वाला? 18. So the panda which you see here, it is for 1800 rupees, almost $23. So that's how they sell teddy bears on street, because as I explained, I am on borders of Mumbai, which is not Mumbai main city. So there are villages, and these village people, they live their livelihood by selling these things. And look what I have found here. I have found a kind of small botanical garden. Check this out guys. All kinds of plants they sell here. Wow, I mean it's so beautiful. You see? Okay, let's go inside. So there, if you can see, there is all jungle, all villages. There is some new constructions. They are constructing some new buildings. So I believe this village might be developed in next 15 to 20 years. Let's see guys. I feel it's really nice to see in middle of a village nice kind of botanical gardens which they keep a lot of different plants. Let's check. Wow, I mean it's so beautiful. Okay, let's explore more. Oh, look what I have found here. They sell some small plants here and some clay materials. Let's check this out. भाई ये मट्टी का है, पूरा ओरिजिनल मट्टी का है, चीनी मिट्टी का है. So apparently they say that this is made out of China clay and it looks very beautiful. They sell here clay pots, and they make these clay pots with China clay, and this can be used to drink water. You can check this out. People in villages here, they use such kinds of vessels to store water because the temperature here is very hot. So that's how they keep the water cool, and I don't think they have much access to refrigerators. That is the reason they use these pots. Let's check out more. So here what you see is a small shop adjoining this clay shop, and they sell water bottles. They have some kinds of sweets and some kinds of mouth freshener. There you go. And if I'm not wrong, this is betel nut. This is betel nut, which is used to make pan. Pan is this one. This is called pan. This is betel leaf. So they take this out and they will apply certain flavors, and they will put betel nut, and they will put some cadmium, some leaves, and then they make a pan. This pan is nothing but just Indian kinds of mouth freshener. After having food or after night dinner, they walk on street and they eat pan, and it's very good for your digestive system. Let's ask more about the vendor. What is pan exactly? तो भाई साहब आपको बता सकते हैं पान क्या होता है, क्यों खाते हैं लोग, कैसा बनता है?
ऐसे अपना दिमाग को मस्ती करने के लिए बनाता है. हाँ. पान ऐसा चीज़ है कि हर एक देश में चलता है. सब देश में खाते हैं। पान एक अच्छा चीज़ है, उससे स्वास्थ्य के लिए और अच्छा रहता है, कोई हानिकारक भी नहीं है। पान बहुत अच्छा चीज़ है, दुनिया का सब आदमी खाता है। ऐसे पान से कोई चीज़ हानिकारक नहीं है।
Okay, so apparently he is telling that this pan, Indian mouth freshener, is very good for digestive system, as I mentioned earlier. And everybody here loves to eat pan. Even in Myanmar, they love to eat too much pan. And once you eat this pan, I believe your lips they turn reddish color or maybe burgundy color. So I might try later, and we will see what color my lips turns. And it's interesting to try this pan out, which is Indian mouth freshener. I mean, I'm very excited. I will try later, not right now. So I will say thank you so much to this guy, as he has explained me everything, and we will move further and we will explore more. Thank you so much. Thank you bhai. So after that shop, I came here in some kind of again it's a small kind of village, and check this out guys, so cute. I see all kinds of goats and lambs here. Check this out, you see YouTube. And I'm in a village, as mentioned. I'm trying to show you guys village here on borders of Mumbai. So we have some local people out here. Let's talk with them, let's have fun, let's ask some questions about this place. So आपका नाम भाई साहब? So his name is Mitlesh Yadav. आपका नाम? Aman. So we have met Aman and Mitlesh, and they live here on borders of Mumbai. Let's ask more question about this place. So इस जगह के बारे में बता सकते हैं आप? क्या जगह है? जगह का नाम क्या है? Oh, we have some more people here, guys. Check this out.
What's up guys?
See, Indian people are always very friendly. I really appreciate when I meet them. I'm so happy. So let's talk more about this place and check it out. So आप ये जगह का नाम बोला आपने?
नेवाली नाका.
Okay. So apparently the place name is Newali Naka. मलंगड़. And और कुछ बताइए तो मैं.
यहाँ पर हाजी मलंग का पहाड़ है,
उसके क्या खासियत हाजी मलंग?
हाजी मलंग आते सब
दरगाह है वहाँ पर, ऊपर दरगाह वगैरह है, दरगाह है, फिर वहाँ पे बाबा लोग हैं, मतलब दुकान से शॉप से बहुत मतलब अमेजिंग लगता है जहाँ से
घूमने फिरने आते हैं
लोग बार-बार से आते
ट्रांसलेट कर
हैं।
देता हूँ. So the people out here is telling us, I mean me, that there is a very big Muslim mosque there. Like how many? कितना किलोमीटर होगा?
3 किलोमीटर.
It's like 3 kilometers from here, and a lot of people all across the globe they come there.
इधर किधर दिख रहा है अपना मलंगड़? आगे तो जाओगे ना मलंगड़ दिखेगा आपको.
So he's telling me if you go straight right here in 3 or 4 kilometers. Oh my God! Let's check this out. How they run. I'm really enjoying how these kettles are running, and it's very hot here. कितना टेम्परेचर होगा? ज़्यादा धूप है यहाँ पे दिन भर?
ज़्यादा धूप है.
So apparently he says that every day is around 40 degrees Celsius, very hot in this village. And
29 degrees Celsius.
okay, at present he has checked. He's very helpful, guys. Thanks to him, he says 29 degrees Celsius.
ये लंच दावा ना.
At present, I came across a street where these people are selling dry fishes. You can check this out, guys. इसको क्या बोलते भाई?
करदी.
Okay, so this is called kardi. ये?
वो भी करदी है.
Okay, even this is kardi, some different variation. और ये? This is called bombil. और ये वाली? मोस्का. अच्छा, तो ये आप जब पकड़ते हो अंदर समुद्र से, फिर उसको आप सुखाते हो. क्यों सुखाया जाता है इसको?
इसको सुखा के नमक लगा के सब सूखा मच्छी.
अच्छा. आपका नाम भाई?
शमशेर आलम.
Okay, so Samsher has explained me why these people dry this fish in sun. Technically he's saying we first catch fish from the sea and then we salt them, marinate them, and then we keep it in sun for drying so that it is preserved for longer duration of time, and people love to eat and it's very tasty when it's cooked. Unfortunately I'm not that lucky today that I can buy and cook somewhere, but at least I got knowledge. So thank you so much Samsher. Let's meet coconut vendor now. आपका नाम भाई? Tawsif Sheikh. Okay, he sells coconut. Let's see. आपने दुकान पे है ना? So, wow, I mean, so this is kind of a small shop adjoining street, just on. So he says one coconut with water is $50. That is almost 80 cents. So कहाँ से आप लाते हो, मतलब कैसा होता है आपका धंधा, कैसा चलता है, अच्छा है कैसा? तो कहाँ से लाते हो? कर्नाटक. So he brings all coconut supplies from Karnataka, which is another state in India, in South India. So कितना बिक जाता है दिन का? 150, आपका लागत मतलब कितना फायदा होता है? So technically, if he sells one coconut for $50, he gets 10 rupees. His profit margin is 10 rupees, which I don't think is too much, but this is a very modest guy. Check him out, guys. And I'm really thankful that he has explained me how coconut, from where he gets coconut and how he sells and how much profit he makes. So let's thank him and move away and let's explore something more. Thank you so much. Let's walk. Okay. Do you see the blue, big, gigantic pipe out here? This is the pipe which facilitates the water supply to all 59 villages in the vicinity. So that's how they get water supply to drink water. And one thing I like too much about this place is everywhere I see is too many trees, a lot of greenery. Check this out. And there at distance I see another village, some houses, I mean some brick workers who make bricks. You can check out my last video. I have explained about brick factory when I was covering a small village few days ago. I'm enjoying myself exploring this village on the borders of Mumbai. Walking and trying to check out things. As I mentioned earlier, guys, there's too much greenery out here, which makes me very happy. Check this out. And again, one more water supply pipe. It's a gigantic pipe, and this is extended at least for 25 to 30 kilometers. Wow. So check this out, guys. This is how this machine is used to take juice out of sugarcane. So this is how sugarcane juice is made in village area on borders of Mumbai. Let's talk to this person who sells it and let's try to understand what is his profit, how many hours he works. Let's talk. So bhai sahab, ये गांव का नाम आपने बोला क्या? वसार गांव. So he says this village name is वसार गांव. So आपका सुबह से आप कब से कब तक चालू करते हो?
6 बजे सुबह 8:30.
कब तक?
8:30.
8:30 सुबह से कब तक? शाम तक?
शाम तक, सुबह से शाम.
Okay, so apparently he is telling me that he starts his small sugarcane juice stall at 8:30 a.m. and he works till end of the day, like even till sometimes late nights. So एक glass कितने का है? So one glass of sugarcane juice on borders of Mumbai in a small village will cost you 15 Indian rupees, which if I calculate will be around 20 cents. So this is the glass in which they serve sugarcane juice, which is very important for villages over here because the temperature, as I mentioned, is very, very hot. It can reach up to 45 degrees Celsius. That's the reason they need to be hydrated very often. So let's thank this person and explore more. भाई साहब, thank you so much आपके टाइम के लिए. हम फिर आएंगे वापस चेक करेंगे, ठीक है? और कुछ उनको दिखा देता हूँ. And if I walk more next to this sugarcane shop, I just see a small kind of the thing on which they are selling pineapples. Check this out, guys. A plastic bag of pineapple which they have already cut and made it ready to eat. It will cost you around 80 cents. That's what he has explained. So let's guys move ahead and check out more in this place. Bye. Let's explore more. I'm very happy today. Let's see what else I can find and share with you guys. So right now I found a small shop where they make furniture. let's see how they work. So that's how they cut furniture. And this furniture is used in chemists, mostly in a shop where they sell medicine. It's like let's talk to him little about his experience, how much he knows about this. भाई साहब, आप कितने साल से ये काम कर रहे हैं?
5-6 साल।
So he works in this business since last 5-6 years. I think he's highly skillful worker. तो ये लकड़ी कहाँ से आता है?
मुंबई से लाते हैं सब।
Mumbai se. So normally they purchase raw material, the woods, everything from main city center in Mumbai, and then in this village they bring here and they start manufacturing, they start preparing closets, as you can see. तो कैसा लगता है आपको ये काम?
कैसा लगता है? अच्छा लगेगा ही। जो सीखा हो तो वो तो अच्छा ही है।
So I asked him, how do you find your job? Do you love your job? He's saying, of course I love my job. If I have learned something so many years I've put in to learn this skill, of course I will like it. तो अच्छा खासा कमाई होता है?
हाँ तो होता ही रहते हैं। जो है 18,000 20,000 पगार रहता है।
पगार आपका, आप पगार पे काम करते
हाँ
हो?
पगार पे।
आपका सेट हो गया?
हाँ।
So technically he's telling me he's on a salary and the boss, the owner is not here right now. Technically makes around $350 a month, which is a pretty decent wage in India, especially in this kind of village. So let's explore more, let's find out something more interesting, and let me thank him. Bhai sahab, thank you so much aapke time ke liye. Walking 2 kilometers on this road, I came across a small shop which fixes flat tires and punctures, which is very important thing because in this village at night, if somebody is stranded due to flat tire, he will have no choice. Therefore, this is a very important shop. Let's check this out. These spare tires, this one chair, these are the tools and more tires. And this is the list, some kind of owners association. That is the highway road. And all forest you can see from here. And I believe this person lives in a very small house which is on the main road. And he's watching TV because there are no customers. So let's talk to him. Let's ask him what exactly is his business, how many hours long he works. So आप सुबह से शाम तक काम करते हैं, right? So apparently he tells me that he works from morning till evening. तो कितने लोग आना जाना होता है?
सुबह से लेके 10-15 गाड़ी आते हैं।
Okay, so technically in a day on an average 15 to 20 vehicles stops here and he fixes their flat tire, which is a very important thing so that nobody is stranded and they can happily reach home. So let me thank him and explore something else. Thank you so much guys. Okay, let's walk and let's see what else we can find today. It's a very beautiful day and I'm enjoying myself. Hope you guys will enjoy this video too. So, right now I'm under a shade because it's too much hot here outside, and this is a piece of the big pipe, blue pipe, which is used to supply water to all these villages. And I feel epic inside this shade. Today's day was really awesome. I really enjoyed. I met a lot of people. Specifically, I met people who work small jobs but they are really happy even in small amount of money. That is how life should be, because happiness is not a destination, it's a journey. So I'm really happy, I feel very positive. I will see you in my next video. I hope you will enjoy this video. Till that time, remember guys, life is awesome and world is beautiful. Bye bye.